Hello guys, I welcome you all back to my channel. This is Chisomibi, and in this video I'll be showing you 3 different no deposit bonuses that you can still claim and withdraw from. Besides, there is multiple withdrawal proof, and I'll be showing you all the withdrawal proof right here. If you stick to the end of the video, you will not just be getting a free capital to trade, but you are also getting one where you are sure to withdraw from. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. And if you get this bonus, drop a comment, let me know that you got it, and let others know that this is real and not fake. And also comment what country you are watching this video from. Let's go. Alright, so for the first bonus, this is the withdrawal proof right here, and it's still available. You can still go and claim it. So let's go. This bonus is by Trendo. So you will go to your Play Store and download it. You can open the link in your description. So this is me downloading it. Alright, so this is only for new users. If you have gotten it at one point or the other, just forget about it. You cannot get it. But if this is your first time of seeing this, congratulations to you. You'll be able to get it. Alright, so you have seen, I just opened the app, and if you look, you will see $100. Yeah, up there, you will see $100 bonus, but you have to log in to get it. So it means you have to create an account to get it, and this is what we are going to be doing. It's very simple. So once you create the account, you'll be able to access it. And note, you have to trade it on the app. You are not linking it with MetaTrader 5 or anything. So you get the bonus on the app and you trade it on it. So let's get started. You will click on register. Yes, and you have to put in your login details, your first name, your last name, and the rest. So I've gotten it before, so I can't get it again. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. Yeah, you don't have to verify to get the bonus. You don't have to verify to get the bonus, but when you want to withdraw later on, you will have to verify. But verification is very easy. Yes, so we're just going to put in our information. Alright, so immediately you sign in, you will be presented $100. So you will just click on claim it, and once you claim it, you'll be able to access it. It's as simple as that, and it's very easy and straightforward. Getting the bonus, I've gotten the bonus and I've claimed it, as you can see right here. Yes, so I'm going to show you how to get it. So make sure you follow every of this step. There are a lot of things that you need to know, that if you don't watch this video, you won't be able to get it, because you are not just getting it on the site. There are several processes. There is a time we will use an app, and there is a time we will use the site. Yes, so first you have to get started with signing up, and we are going to use the site to sign up, not Google. So you click on sign up, yeah, and you input your name. Then you click on continue. So after that, it will generate a country you are from. So you will just click on continue. Then most countries can get it. Any African country can get it. So next, you put your email and your password, and then you create an account. So after this, you have to go and download the app. Yeah, we'll be getting the bonus with the app. Now, there may be situation where you are able to get it on the site, but for most of you, it will be best to download the app because it's easier and better for some of you. Yeah, so you will automatically see it on the site, but for most people, just download the app and then sign in. So after signing in, there are certain questions you have to answer to get this bonus. So once you come here, you just swipe to the left. Yes, then your 20 bonus or $20 bonus is waiting. So once you click on it, you have to verify, and it is in less than 1 minute. I got verified instantly. So now let's talk about the terms and conditions. You are not depositing at all, and no lot size is required, but then you have to trade it for 30 days, and immediately after 30 days you can withdraw. Yes, so now they gave us $20. Yeah, do you need to deposit? No, as you can see the questions over here. But then if you want to put your money, no problems, and it is only valid for a month, and you can only withdraw after a month. Now when the account expires, what happens to your existing trade? They will close it, but if you have any profits, they're going to separate your profits. Yes, so that's all. And if you need more terms and conditions, just scroll down and click on it. Yeah, you will see all the details you need here. So just make sure you trade on it within 30 days before it will be taken down. Yes, as you can see, the further terms and conditions, eligibility, bonus amounts and activation, trading conditions, profit withdrawal, account expiration, account inactivity. Yeah, so just you can go through it. So just make sure you trade on it within 30 days before it expires. So the next thing you need to do is to verify your email. Then after verification of your email, then you fill in these details and then questions. Yes, so employment status, you fill it in, then the ratio 1:33. Yes, then you have the next question. Yes, €1,000. Then we have a stop loss order. Then how much margin in euro? We have €200,000. The account equity reaches 0. And so we are done with section 1. So let's go to section 2. So we are also going to answer this one. It has to do with your own personal details. Yes, so you just fill in anything, bank transfer, fill in anything, currencies. Yeah, so we are done. So now the next thing is to verify your identity. Yes, and it's very, very fast. So first click on all countries except USA. So after that, you need to verify your ID or upload your ID. Yeah, and you also need to upload your bank statement. Yes, for the proof of address, and then you get this instantly, and then you'll be able to sign in into your MT5. Alright guys, so the first thing we need to do is to register. Yes, we're going to click on register. Then we're going to input our name, email, country of residence. Then after that, we'll click on create account. So let me do that right now. As you can see, my account has been verified successfully. So verification link has been sent to my registered email. So let's go and verify my email. Now click here. Yeah, my email has been verified successfully. So we're going to click here to log in. Yeah, so we're going to log in my email ID and my password. And my password is already sent to my email. So let me impute it. Then we'll log in. So I'm logged in already. So we're going to click on complete details. Then we'll impute our address, city, and the rest. Then we'll click on submit. So my registration process has been completed successfully. So we're going to click on verify account. Yes. So we're going to upload our proof of identification. So it's either you upload your passport, your driving license, or your national ID card. Yes, and you also upload your proof of address, which is a recent bank statement, utility bills. So let's do that. Let's upload that right now. Okay, so after uploading it, this particular way is a long way of uploading. So I don't recommend that. I recommend that you chat support. Then I'm going to send the number to my Telegram channel, and my Telegram link will be in the description. So go to my Telegram channel, get the number of the support and message them. So what will you tell them? You will tell them that you would like to claim the bonus and verify your account. So they will tell you to send your ID and your address proof. Then they will verify it for you in less than 2-3 minutes. Yeah, so this is the fastest way to do it. And then I got verified. So after verification, you click on open live account. Yes, so you're going to see the account type here. So we're going for $30 NDB. Then you're going to see an additional information: trading platform, MetaTrader 4, then the minimum leverage, the spread types, the trading instruments, and so on. So we're going to click on $30 NDB. Then we'll select the leverage, which is 1:500. Then the currency USD. So we're going to click on proceed. Yeah, so my trading account has been created successfully. So my credentials for my account has been sent to my registered email. So that's why I'm going to get my login ID that I'm going to use to log into MetaTrader 4, not MetaTrader 5. So let's do that right now. So this is MT4. Yeah, so we've been sent our login ID already to our email. So we are just going to go to our email. Yes, then we'll click on this support here. Then we're going to input our login ID, our password, then the name of the server. So we're going to input our server right here, which is Extreme Market Live. As you can see it right here. We are waiting for it to load. Yeah, so you click on Extreme Market Live. Yes, then you input your login ID and your password. Then you're going to sign in. So as you can see, I've gotten mine already. Yeah, so go and claim yours right now. A free $30 no deposit bonus. So these are the 3 no deposit bonuses that are still available with withdrawal proofs. Yes, and you can also withdraw from them. So you can still go and claim yours right now. Thank you.